General of the Infantry, General de Infanterie, Richard Ruoff took command of V Army Corps on May 1, 1939, and led this unit into World War II. General Ruoff then was given command of the 4th Panzer Army from January 8, 1942 to May 31, 1942. Ruoff was the commander of the 17th Army when, on June 3, 1942, the Italian Expeditionary Corps in Russia, Corpo di Spedizione Italiano in Russia, or CSIR, was briefly subordinated to it. From June to July, the German 17th Army, the CSIR, and the Romanian 3rd Army were organized as Army Group Ruoff, Heeresgruppe Ruoff. The CSIR was subsumed by the larger Italian Army in Russia, Armata Italiana in Russia, or Armur, and transferred to Army Group B, Heeresgruppe B. During the late summer, as part of Army Group A, Ruoff and the 17th Army attacked towards the Caucasus oilfields. By December, Soviet forces had destroyed the armies defending its flanks, including the Armur, and had encircled the German 6th Army at Stalingrad. Army Group B was withdrawn from southern Russia, but Ruoff and the 17th Army were ordered to hold the Kuban bridgehead. In June 1943, he was promoted to Colonel General, Generaloberst, but was also moved to the Command Reserve, and saw no further action during the war.